Hey everybody, it's Connie with simplysimplestamping.com here with another Speedy Delivery card called Simply Thankful. We're going to be using two stamp sets today, the Sheltering Tree stamp set for our focal image, and our sentiments will come from the Country Home stamp set. We're going to start with some fresh fig cardstock in 8.5 by 5.5 scored at 4 1/4, and two pieces of very vanilla 3 3/4 by 5 inch. We're going to use some scratch paper underneath us here, and let's go ahead and start with the soft suede ink pad. And we're going to stamp our sentiment up here in the upper right corner. We're now going to take that tree and we're going to stamp that in the bottom left corner. With some crumb cake ink, we're going to stamp those great leaves, but we are going to stamp off once. I want that to be a little lighter, so that's what that scratch paper is for. Let's stamp that on our tree. And now we're going to take the other piece of cardstock and let's stamp the tree and the sentiment, and then our leaves in the exact same way. We're going to stamp off and then add that. That'll be our inside image. Let's add our pieces to the front and to the inside. And then I'm going to take a glue dot and just roll it between my fingers. And you can see that's how I'm going to add a little linen thread to the front of the card. Isn't that a gorgeous card and oh so fast and easy? Now guys, if you'd like to order any of the supplies you need to create this card, just head over to simplysimplestamping.com. Look for the October 20th, 2018 blog post. I'm going to have everything there for you. Thanks for being here today. Have a fabulous one. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.